this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a regular process video with this Pinterest inspiration for the third to last Christmas market layout that I have. So yeah, I kind of dipped back into it's Happy New Year to everybody. I know that it's into the new year. Christmas is done, but I am trying to get this 3 photos done that I have, or 3 pages, I should say. In the inspiration, I do tons, there's like tons and tons of mixed media and bunch of busyness, and that's exactly what I do here. I grabbed the new December Hip Kit Club, December main kit, and the embellishment kit is what I got in from them in December, and I'm using all of their products for that, except for the shimmers, paints and stuff that I'm using there. Those I pulled from my stash, and I just matched it up with the paper that was provided to us, and I just do what the inspiration showed, which was a bunch of like splatters and little spots here and there for my mixed media. And I had to let this dry, and good lord, it took forever, but I got it all done and it started to dry. And I waited and waited. It felt like forever, but I was working on a few things that are going to come up here in the month of January, along with my brand. So if you've watched my Scrappy Chat in January on the 1st, since this is going up on the 3rd, I've already done my Scrappy Chat. So if you haven't done that, go back and look. I am doing a couple of different new things on my channel, and some of the other stuff I haven't put my goals out there like in like real world land, I guess, or social media land. There's a couple of surprises that I was going to leave, and one of them is coming up here around the 15th of January. Is going to be one of many, I hope, of stuff. So I just want to do, I guess, a little bit of a plug while you're watching this. Make sure that you go check out, obviously, the Hip Kit stuff. I'll link their website down below. They're an amazing company. I am not part of their design team, nor, you know, an ambassador or any of that sort. So this is just one of my free plugs that I am giving this company. I absolutely love their products. I've have done their products for like it feels like years. I think for like 3-4 years. And then I decided I'm going to try a couple other businesses, give them a go. And it's going right back to these guys. And they make an amazing products. I've always loved their stuff. I never have anything left over. I just love it. So there's my plug for if you're wanting a good kit. And if you want any more information on it, just let me know and I can get you to the right person. But the main plug that I am giving you guys that I would like is I am looking for, this would be for the US only, I am looking for 3 more ladies that would love to do my Hostess Reward program for Close to My Heart. I just wanted to quickly plug in here while you guys are watching that if you guys are interested, I'm going to link the video down below about what it's all about and all that, like all that good stuff. And let me know in the comments if you are interested, because if you are, I will definitely message back and we can talk on Facebook or Instagram. I have 3 ladies and I just need 3 more so that we can be able to do 6 months. I will take, if I can get 1 more, I'll do 4 months. So 1 to 3 more would be amazing. So back to the layout, I did my famous layering, all of those layerings that I love to do, and there's tons of layers in this inspiration along with the chipboards and squares and all this. And as you see me lift my page up, I am talking to Lisa as she's trying to finish up the Christmas memories. She did up all of hers. She masked them out. So if you've missed her channel, go check it out during the Christmas memories. So you're going to get a little extra in January, but she released all of hers. So if she hasn't gotten them all the way up yet, she is. She has showed me all of her layouts and they're absolutely gorgeous. So make sure you go check out her channel too. And I'm just placing things down as of what was in the Pinterest. I will obviously link the Pinterest down as well to this company or this person. Let me see if on the Pinterest, let me click here and see, let me see if it takes me to something. It does not, so I'm not sure who actually did this one, but that's okay. I will link the pin down so that you guys can see it, and if you love it, pin it, and let me know, or tag me into my scrappy life, hashtag my scrappy life, and I will look for it. And I'm just finishing it out. There was a ton of string that they used, and I just tucked mine a tad bit differently on it. The photo is from while I was in Strasbourg, France. We were at the Christmas market, obviously, and there was this mime, I think that's the right one. And he pulled me from the crowd and made me go stand up there, and then he wanted me to take pictures. So with his he wasn't talking, so with his hands he was doing picture. So I handed, because I had my camera on me, so I handed my camera over to one of my friends and we took pictures. And I have other pictures of him too in my scrapbook of where I put all of my Christmas markets together, and I thought it was just cool. And of course I had to scrap it because it was something that just made us all giggle, that he like literally pushed me over by him because he was so in love with me, as he said in his words, and then he wanted pictures taken of me. I was like, oh Lord. So of course, you know, when you have to do all that, you got to give him some euro for all this, you know, fun stuff that he did. So my title, once we get to it, is going to be Fun and Laughter. And I absolutely loved this Pinterest inspiration I found. I love this collection. Absolutely love it. I still look at the page because I think it's gorgeous. And I just add a bunch of different little puffy stickers is what I'm putting there. And then the chipboards go in. And let's see here. Oh, and then in the page, it looks like they cut or put maybe corner tabs on two of the sides. So instead of doing the corner tabs on the one side, I decided to go diagonal so that your eyes draw to it, because at first I was going to cut it down and do my bordering, but I was like, man, I do a lot of that bordering to begin with. So here I go. I cut it, and then the backing for the products that you see there that I'm working with, that's the page that has like what all this stuff is in the back. And there, you can see what I was using. But the colors on it is perfect for this page. So that's what I did. I decided to use those on there. And then I put this like snow globe and a couple trees down here. And then up on top, I do nothing. I just leave it blank. And obviously the still shots are definitely here as well. And I'm just playing around with it to see what I can do and if I need to add anything and what my title is and all of that. And here I go with the other quarter. And I use my distress tool, as you all know. I think I have found my niche, or if you don't see me distress everything, you're probably thinking I'm sick, because I do it a lot. And my layering. I do tons and tons of layering, and I absolutely love it. So I use the backing again of one of the other ones I use. I think this one is for the puffy stickers. But it works well. The colors are perfect. I absolutely love the way it turned out for putting those there. And it still keeps it a 12 by 12. So I happen to find fun and laughter on the stickers. So that's what I put down. And then I put my journaling down there as well. And I think I do the journaling off camera. I think I do the lines on there so you know where I put it. And I put the date stamp at the off camera. And then this pretty much sums it out. I put out little stars, and then that's it. Still shots are coming up. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye!